Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel where we review paid apps that have turned free. Today we are reviewing this app called WaveMix. Sound Soundscape, a sleeping and focused noise mixer. It's really a great app. I have played with it a little bit and I find it to be very good. So if I scroll here, I'll just show you guys a few screenshots. Yes, a few screenshots, and then we'll go into the app. Before we go into the app, I'll show you how the app displays the in-app purchases that are free today for the premium lifetime plan. So I downloaded the app, I'll open it. This time, I'm going to show you guys the way to activate the lifetime premium subscription. When you open the app, you'll be welcomed to this screen where it says, "Welcome blah blah blah." You can sign in if you have an account, or you can register. You can choose to register, or you can continue as a guest. But I suggest that you continue by registering. For now, I will use the guest option and just show you how to activate it, because I don't want to go into the email and everything. So if I continue as a guest, then I go through the onboarding process. Go through it, and on the last page, you will see it gives you the monthly plan for 3 days at $2.99, and then the annual plan at $24.99, if paid yearly. Here, what you need to do is just slide down the screen, and you'll be given this screen where you will see that it's $0 instead of $53.82. So here you have a few seconds to go. Now, we just have to hit Continue with Discount. Once we do that, then we hit Continue. They will ask you to help them grow, which I think we should by reviewing the app and giving them 5 stars because really, it's a nice package. So, right here, when you come to the screen for registering, please remember to use your proper email so you can come back, log in, and have your lifetime subscription. With that said, here you are welcomed with all these options. You have all the sounds for sleep, for focus, for work, for calm, and even if you have a baby, there are sounds for babies, meditation, camping, and so on. You can also actually create your own mix. So if I go to sound, they will present you with all these different sounds. Air conditioning sound, airplane sound, aquarium, balance, and so on. These are the sounds that you can pick to mix and match. Now, when you go to the mix library, you can actually create a new mix. You can create your own set of sounds. So if I select sound, then once I hit that, it will give us the screen that I was describing earlier. I can pick, let's say, beach, and that is how you create the sound. You can save it under your library. You can airplay this sound and you can set a timer so it will play for a certain time. So, I think this app is a great app. Go ahead, download it, play with it, and let me know in the comments what you think about this app. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel where we review paid apps that have turned free for the day. Thank you. Bye.